math lesson with me, Mr. Duclos. Today is our last lesson in metric conversion, and we're going to use addition and subtraction to solve multi-step word problems involving length, mass, and capacity. Let's jump on in and do a practice problem. The problem that we're going to work on today goes like this. Jose's vase can hold 2,419 milliliters of water. He added 1 liter and 299 milliliters. Then he added 398 milliliters. How much more can the vase hold? So on our problem here, we know that our maximum, our total, is 2,419. That's our total. And we know that we're gonna have 1 liter, 299 milliliters, and then we're gonna add 398. So I'm gonna put all of our important information down in a way that we can mathematically use it. So I'll be right back. So what I've done is I've taken the word problem out and I've put in our information that's needed to help me find our solution. So I know that I have 2,419 milliliters as my total capacity for the vase. I know that we're going to fill it up the first time, 1 liter and 299 milliliters. Then we're going to add 398 milliliters on our second time filling it up. So that means I get to add these two. But I can't add liters and milliliters until I convert them. So I know that 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. So we have 1,000 plus 299, because that's what we had left over here, plus 398. Zero plus 9 plus 8 is 17. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 9 is 19. 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6. 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1. So that leaves us with 1,697 milliliters as how much water was put into our vase on our first and second fill. And the question asks us, how much more space do we have? Well, we have our total, we have our part, so now we just have to subtract. 2,419 milliliters minus 1,697 milliliters. 9 minus 7 is 2. 11 minus 9 is 2. 13 minus 6 is 7. Our final answer is 722 milliliters. And that's our final answer, because we don't have 1,000, so we're not going to convert it back into liters. So our vase has 722 milliliters of space remaining. Now we're going to try one of your practice assignments before it's your turn to finish on your own. Now we're going to do one independent assignment from your Google Forms, and then afterwards you're going to finish on your own. Now remember, if you're doing Seesaw, that's fine. Go finish your Seesaw work. The problem that we're going to do is the potatoes Beth bought weighed 3 kilograms, 420 grams. Her onions weighed 1,050 less, And that should be 1,050 grams. Less. How much do they weigh together? So, what's the important information here? We know that the potatoes weigh 3 kilograms and 420 grams. We know that the onions weigh less by 1,050 grams. And then we're trying to figure out how much they weigh together. So using those keywords and the information I have, I know that I'm going to have to use both addition and subtraction in order to solve this problem. Let me put the important stuff on the board, and then we'll get right back at it. So what I've done here is I have broken out our word problem into the most important parts. We know that our potatoes weigh 3 kilograms and 420 grams. We know that our onions weigh 3 kilograms and 420 grams minus 1,050 grams. And we know that we're trying to figure out what our onions plus potatoes are, which is our 3 grams, our 420 grams, plus whatever our onion weighs. So, we're going to have to go through this step by step. First thing we're going to have to do is figure out how much our onions weigh. So, we have 3 kilograms and 420 grams minus 1,050 grams. The problem here is that I can't do this because they're not in like units. So the first thing I have to do is I have to convert them into like units. Well, luckily I know my conversions and I'm pretty good with my 10 facts. So I know that 3 kilograms is equal to 3,000 grams. So now I have 3,000 grams plus 420 grams, 3,420 grams. So our potatoes are equal to this, but they're also equal to 3,420 grams. Now that it's in grams, I can easily subtract my onion, because my onion is in grams. 1,050. 0 minus 0 is 0. 12 minus 5 is 7. 3 minus 0 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2,370 grams. So what did we just find out? We just found out that our onion is 2,370 grams. So I will erase this and put 2,370 grams. Now, I need to figure out what they are together. Well, it's nice and easy. I have my potatoes in grams. I have my onions in grams. I just have to add it. 3,420 grams plus 2,370 grams. 0 plus 0, 2 plus 7, 4 plus 3, 3 plus 2. 570 grams. And that could be your final answer, or we could reconvert it. We have 5,000 grams. 5,000 grams. So that means we're going to have 5 kilograms and 790 grams. Either answer is okay. I tend to like this answer more because it's a little bit neater and it's more simplified. Now you're going to go finish the next two word problems on your own, and then afterwards, have a great day.